Have Estonia in the house at Moshas Reggae Lounge. Look at these guys. Well, 10 of them from Estonia. What's your name, buddy?
My name is Fred.
How you like Dominican Republic?
I'm enjoying it very much.
All right, so guess what? I'm gonna come back when you guys taste the food and you tell me individually how you like the food. Okay? So we're gonna get the girls because they got some girls. We made them some jerk chicken. Huh?
Thank you.
Let me pause this and I'll come back when they try the food.
Rum bunch?
Yes.
Nice.
We're back with the crew from Estonia. The girls went to the bathroom, so the guys tasted the chicken. We want to find out how they like the chicken. We're gonna start with, what's your name, brother?
Sim.
Sim. How did you like it?
Very good.
Very good?
Yeah.
And you, brother?
I'm Dharma, also really good.
Really good?
Really good.
They had the jerk chicken. And you, my friend?
Yeah, I like it.
Estonia, you gotta tell me in Estonia language. How was it? Oh, he's getting into it. Look at that. How was it, buddy? How was it?
Sembaga.
Ah,
yeah.
you tell me Estonia. Ah, Sembaga.
Really.
Good?
Yeah. It is good.
Ah, that's the Estonia. And then we're gonna come back to the ladies in a minute. Let me pause the video. Estonia in the house in Moshas Reggae Lounge on the beach in Sosua. Pause. Okay, so we're gonna come back to the ladies. The ladies are ready to tell us on camera how they like the chicken.
It's really good, thank you.
Estonia language, please. Vagaher. Ah, that means damn good in Estonia. Let's hear that again. Say it again. Say that again.
It's very good. It's
Guys, you hear that? We have people from everywhere in the world. So I want them to speak their language. So you know when you come here, you're at home. You don't have to worry about your color, your race, your creed, your religion, your country. This is Jamaica in the house. Big respect, Jamaica.